Question 14 is 5 marks. This is cumulative frequency. Before we look at the question, I just want you to understand. When the question asks to find the mean, the median, the lower quartile or the upper quartile, you will look at these numbers here on the y-axis. So many students get this mistake. So when the question asks you to find the mean, when the question asks you to find the median, you look at this. All right, let's start. The first part here says use the graph to find an estimate for the median. Median, the y-axis. So we will look here. First of all, how do we find the median? We look at the sum. So the question says there are 40 plants. The median is in the middle, so we do 40 divided by 2, which is 20. Now try to locate this 20. Where is it? It's here, right? No, we don't look at the x-axis. We look at the y-axis. So this is 20 here. We look at, we make a line until we cross the cumulative frequency graph. From this point, we go down and we see this value. So if this is 20, this will be 25, 26, 27. Finished. The median is 27. Now, the next part says find the interquartile range. The interquartile, we will also look at the y-axis, but then the interquartile is the upper quartile minus the lower quartile. We need to find these two. To find the lower quartile, you will do 40 divided by 4, which is 10. And to find the upper quartile, you just multiply the lower quartile by 3, the position by 3. So it's 10 times 3, which is 30. And that's not the answer. These are the numbers we will use. Now let's go to the y-axis and we first try to find the 10 for the lower quartile. 10 is here. And then we go down. Now, this is 20 and this is one number before the 20. So that's 19. Now we try to locate the 30. It's up here. We make a line. I don't know how I'm making so nice lines today. Now we go down there. This is 30 and this is 40. This is 31, 32, 33, 34. This is 35. Very good. So we got the upper quartile to be 35 and the lower quartile to be 19. So the interquartile range is 35 minus 19, which I think is 16, isn't it? That's 15 plus 1. Yes, it is. Now, next question. Plants with a height greater than 40 are premium plants. Oh, I didn't know there is premium plants. Greta sells all the premium plants for 30 euros each. Work out the total amount of money Greta receives for the premium plants. Greater than 40. So this is where we start. Greater than 40. So we go back again to our graph and we try to see the plants. This is the height here. So greater than 40. So this is 40. We go up until we touch the line. And then we go there to see what number is this. Now, this is 30. That's 40. That means this is 35. So this is 34. Now, that's not the answer. Greater than 40 will be these ones, the ones above the 34. So since this is 40, because the total is 40, no, I'm sorry, the 40 is here. So it's just going to be up to this point here. So 40 minus 34 is 6. So that means they are just 6 plants that are more than 40 centimeters height. So we will now do 6 times 30, because each one is sold by 30 euros. So 6 times 3 is 18. Bring this nice 0, and that's your answer. So it's just 180 euros, and that's 5 marks.